These are things you need to avoid when yapping or doing the Kaito Yap so that your account doesn't get banned, that you don't go into the Yap prison, and so that Twitter doesn't flag your account or suspend your account. Yes, I'm talking from experience. So if you have still not known how to Yap or what this is all about, I'm going to do a quick breakdown. I already have a very detailed video on how to Yap perfectly here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box of this particular video and also in the comment section, so you can go back and check that, because that video has a lot of tips that you do not want to miss. I showed in that video how to set up your Kaito account, how to pick up a project and all that. So if you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining update, how to earn money on the side, my no-fail recipes on cakes, small chops, food trade, commercial drinks from time to time. I also share how to get Web3 jobs, and recently I'm sharing how to Yap and earn. Yes, people are earning on Yapping. This is an account on Twitter that I'm following, and you see, she said, "You guys, I promise I'm not crying. Finally got my first win on Kaito.ai. Thank you, Web3. Thank you, multibanks_IO. Thank you to everyone. Thanks to everyone who believed and supported me. Infinite Labs and Total Docs XYZ up next." Now, this is a dashboard live, and you can see that she has a total of 1,103.44 USDT, and it was now sent to her. It's under her spot, as you can see. Guys, let me tell you that Yapping is a new farming. Yapping is a new airdrop, and Yapping pays. So I'm going to walk you through how we do this now, and also some do's and don'ts. So first and foremost, we want to pick up a project. I'm yapping this new project called Sussy. So I'm going to pick Sussy. Let me just go down here, and I'm going to walk you through what that community is all about. So this is Sussy XYZ, and this is a project I'm yapping about. Now you need to come down here and you need to follow. That's the first thing you need to do. You need to follow them here, and you can sign up. Yes, you need to sign up. The next thing you need to do is you need to now talk about the project. So yapping is just like talking about a project, making comments about a project, replying to comments or replying to posts that talks about a project. Now, as a beginner, I would advise you to stick to one or two projects, right? If you can do more than two, it's fine, but for start, stick to one or two projects and yap about them. That is, make content, create content about them, or reply to content that have been created by other creators about them, then tag them to your posts. Now, one of the do's you should do when yapping is, number one, make sure you follow the project on X. Sometimes they also request you to follow them on Discord. Please make sure you do that. Number two, if they have a sign up link, make sure you sign up. That's number two. The next thing you need to do is make sure you create a content. Make sure you create content about them or around them. Study that project, look at what it offers, and Twitter is a good way of doing that. You can go through their posts. You can ask Grok, copy the link of their handle, paste it on Grok. Grok is like ChatGPT on Twitter. You paste it on Grok and ask Grok to tell you more about the project. Grok will give you what the project is all about, and you can create content from there. Then the next thing you need to do is, when you're creating those content, make sure you tag those projects. Make sure you tag those projects, and if they have a phrase, make sure you use those phrases. Like shout.form has a phrase, it has a dollar sign and shout as a phrase, or it has the dollar sign and energy. So make sure when you're creating a post or creating a content, you add those phrases or you tag them. Now, one don't, what you should not do is, do not spam those projects, like randomly making posts that have no insights. Do not do that. Do not spam them. If you do that, you're going to enter what they call Yap prison. That is to be banned for some hours from making comments or from creating posts or from doing some regular activities, right? So look at this project. It's called Sussy, and this project, you can see that website here, you can see that Discord, you can see that Telegram, you can see that blog. So you need to follow this particular project. Now, how do you create content on Sussy, or how do you create content for a project that you're yapping about? I'm going to show you a very simple way to do that, and I'm going to be dropping the prompt in the WhatsApp community. Yes, I'm dropping the prompt. I'm going to be using the WhatsApp community. The first thing you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to click on these three dots that is stated here. These three dots, you click on it like this, and then you're going to come here and you're going to click on share. Copy this link here. Now you need to go to your ChatGPT, or you can use the Grok, the Twitter Grok, or you can use DeepSeek or any other AI generator for prompt that you have. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So on my ChatGPT, I'll paste that link and I'm going to say study this Twitter Web3 account and tell me more about size 6 project. Then I'll click on send. And you're asking about size 6 Web3 projects, and it's centered on zero knowledge, ZK proof acceleration, and decentralized compute infrastructure. And it gave me a breakdown, a deep dive on CYS, how to participate as a prover, or how size 6 compares with other ZK infrastructure players. And I'll just reply yes. So this is how to like generate or to know or read up about a project without practically going to like Google and running searches and all that. So your ChatGPT or your Grok on Twitter can do this for you. So now we've done one. We've gotten information about the project. I'm now going to go to number 2, which is creating a content about this project. So I'm going to drop a prompt right now. Next thing I did was to give ChatGPT a prompt. I said, I want you to create a 7 days content for the size 6 that is original and unique to be posted on Twitter. Remember, I mentioned the project's name. Secondly, I mentioned the platform where I'll be posting. Then lastly, I mentioned the duration. That is the content duration. Then I'm now saying it should have different tone. I don't want it to be a particular tone. I want to have different tone. Then I want to post. I want 3 posts each day. If you want to only post 2 times each day, you can go ahead and do that. But that's to post 3 times each day about a particular project. And the content must be very unique to beat Twitter algorithm and avoid Twitter ban. So you need to take all this into consideration. Now I'm going to be pasting this prompt on the WhatsApp community. So if you have not yet joined the WhatsApp community, the link is going to be in the description box of this video. Now I'm going to tell you what the WhatsApp community is all about shortly. So I'm going to send this now to ChatGPT and allow it to give me what I want. One thing I love about Web3 and using the ChatGPT is that ChatGPT makes your work easier. Now look, ChatGPT already gave me a breakdown. See what it said for day 1. It said day 1 for me starting this project is setting the stage. And it said the first thing is an educational, light humor, conversational kind of post. And it said the first thing I can post in the morning is what is a size 6. And it gave me a breakdown of what size 6 is. Then it went to the second post I can post that day. It said, imagine a blockchain where, and it gave me a very short, look at it, a very short tweet. And then it went to the third post I can create for that same day, and then it went to day 2. Now look at it, look at how beautiful this content is. Now what you shouldn't do is to copy this directly and paste it on your Twitter and create it as a post. Please don't do that. You need to like make some edits to the post. So let's say I'm picking this number 1, which says what's a size 6, right? And I'm going to like hold it down and I'll click on select. Then this number 1, so what's a size 6? I'll go there and I'll copy it, right? I'll copy it. Then you can go to your notepad, or let me just go directly to my Twitter. I'm going to come down here and I'll click on this plus icon. Now you can decide to add an image if you want, but if you don't want to create an image, just create a post like this. Then I'm going to paste what I got from ChatGPT, but don't do the mistake of posting this directly. We're going to tweak this. I'll just say what is size 6. So instead of me saying what is size 6, I will say, are you into size 6? See, I added some phrases here. Then I can now add sit back and relax. and watch me explain it to you in baby steps. Then I can use the below emoji. And I said it is, instead of going by A, I'll say it is. So the whole idea is I'm twerking the information that ChatGPT gave me, so that it doesn't look like AI gave me the idea, right? So it is a decentralized ZK proving network that pays it to prove stuff. Now, the next thing you need to do when farming or yapping about a Web3 project is always add like hashtags if you're just beginning. And I advise you to use only 3 hashtags. Don't do above 3 hashtags. Do 3 hashtags. And see that ChatGPT gave me Web3, ZK, and Sussy as a hashtag. So with this, I've customized this particular tweets that I copied from ChatGPT, and I'm just going to come here and click on post. You can see this particular tweet has number 1, a tag of the project I'm yapping about. Number 2, it has some slogan that the project use, and number 3, it has hashtag at least 3. So this is how to create a post for Twitter about a project I want to yap about. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on post, and I'll allow X do its thing. This is where we now go to what we do on the WhatsApp community. Now, one beautiful thing about yapping is if you are yapping and nobody is taking into account or engaging on your tweets, it's like you're just going to be doing the same thing over and over again. So you need a community of people that will engage on your tweets, that will like your tweets, that will make comment about your tweets, and that will follow you. So this 3 things, like, comment, and follow, it's what is going to boost you when you yap about a project. And so we have a WhatsApp community, which I'm going to be dropping the link on the description box of this video and also my first pinned comment. A WhatsApp community where we do this 3 things: we like, we follow, and we make comments on your posts, so that we help each other to build our way up. Now, let's say we've created our post right now. See, this post is here right now. The first thing you want to do to your post is to come here and like the post. Then the next thing you want to do to your post is to come here and click on this link that says share, this share icon. Once you click on it, you will see this particular place here that says copy, right? You click on the copy. Then we go to the WhatsApp community. Now, this is the WhatsApp community. Yes, and on this platform, I say we like, we make comments, and we follow. So I'm going to now come here and paste a link. Paste the link I copied. For now, there's no activity here because this is not an engagement time. So there's no activity here for now. But you can see that this link has so many things behind it. So this things behind it, from this question mark here of this link, is a tracking number or identification number. So from this question mark down to this number 19 is a tracking number. You don't want to send this particular link like this to the WhatsApp community or to our WhatsApp platform. Why? If you send a link like this, it will make Twitter or the project you're yapping about track your post and say, oh, this particular person is not getting engagement naturally. It's being helped to get engagement. So to avoid that, you're going to now come down and clear this link to make it clean. Right? You just clear it like this to make it clean. You clear it till when you get to that question mark and you stop. You clear it till when you make the question, get to the question mark and you stop. And then you can now send it to the WhatsApp community. Just click on here and it sends. So this is a clean link, an untracked link. So you send it. Now for the WhatsApp community, we have 2 ways we engage. We first start by doing a follow for follow. To do that follow for follow, you need to copy your Twitter account ID. So I'll show you how to do that. Come there and click on this your icon, your profile picture. Next, you come here and click on profile. Come down here and you click on these 3 burger signs, right? Once you click on it, it's going to you're going to get this that says share. You click on the share icon and you copy your link just like this. You copy it, and let's go back to the WhatsApp platform. On the WhatsApp platform again, you're just going to come here and click on paste the link we copied for our profile. Now you also discover that when we pasted that link, it also have the tracking number, the tracking digits behind it. So we're going to clear all this till we get to the question mark. So we clear it that way. When it's time for follow, all you need to do is to send a clean, untrackable link like this to the WhatsApp community, and that is it. So through how to pick a project, I've walked you through how to get information about the project. I've walked you through how to get content about a project, and I've also shown you what our WhatsApp community is all about. I've also shown you that yes, it is real for you to earn on Yapping, and Yapping is a new farming. So if these are videos you want to see, if these are tips you want to keep getting, then do well to join the WhatsApp community. The link is going to be in the description box of this video, or if you are on the Telegram channel already, it's going to be in the Telegram community as well. So join the WhatsApp community and let's help each other build or climb or earn money on the new airdrop farming, which is Yapping. Now it is legit. You earn points which is converted to cryptocurrencies, and which you can withdraw into your own local account. It is that simple. But you need a community that's going to help you to achieve that. If you look at top influencers usually engage in each other posts. Yes, they post a lot in a day. They post 3 to 5 times in a day, and they reply to tweets made about the project they're yapping about. Some of them are reply guys, and they reply for up to 450 times in a day. So if you're not ready to put in the work, you're not ready to earn. So I'm encouraging you to join right now and start yapping and start earning. So these are videos you want to keep seeing. Please like, subscribe, follow, leave me a comment, and let me know what else or what next I want to talk about. See you in that subsequent video. Bye for now.